Hello, my name's Carl Kochar and I'm a technical architect at Microsoft. In this video, I'm going to show you how to overlay your webcam video directly into your Microsoft Teams meeting presentation share. The idea behind this is to make our virtual delivery a bit more engaging. In my setup, I'm using Chromacam to provide a green screen background for video. You could use a traditional physical green screen, but an application like Chromacam is probably easier to get yourself up and running with. I'm now going to use OBS to create my Microsoft Teams sharing content. In OBS, I've already added a scene called Green Screen, so the first thing I'll do is add my PowerPoint deck as a source. I select Window Capture and choose the PowerPoint Slideshow option. From the Capture Method window, I select Windows Graphic Capture to display my presentation in full screen mode. Note that the capture is real time and also picks up my transcription text, which is important from an accessibility perspective. The next source I'm going to add is my green screen video. From the source menu, I just need to select the video capture device. Then I choose the Chromacam option. Now all I have to do is to make sure my image is positioned appropriately in the video window. In OBS, I can press the Alt key and then change the width and height of my video pane and also resize the window to fit my slides. Now that I've got my video window positioned where I want it, it's time for the magic. After right-clicking my video source, I choose the filter option. Then under Effect Filters, I select Chroma key, give the key a name, and ensure the color type is enabled for green. When I close the screen, you can see that my background has been removed and my video is now seamlessly superimposed into my PowerPoint deck. To get ready to use this scene within Microsoft Teams, I enable full screen projector mode, which presents my slide deck and video onto a second monitor screen that I've got connected to my laptop. In my Microsoft Teams meeting, all I need to do is to share the second monitor screen that I've just mentioned. My audience, in this case Adele, will receive my PowerPoint, integrated video and transcription, which should make my virtual delivery that bit more engaging.